Tutorial: Frame Relay Configuration. This tutorial will demonstrate how to create a frame relay network using the WAN cloud. The three routers have already been configured and the information is displayed on the workspace. Click on the cloud to assign Dulce numbers to its serial interfaces. Assign Dulce numbers to serial 0 interface first. Enter the appropriate LMI type, Dulce number, and the name of the Dulce number. Click here to add the Dulce number to the serial interface. Assign the remaining Dulce numbers to the serial 0 interface. The Dulce numbers on the other serial interfaces on the cloud have already been assigned. Click on the Frame Relay button to establish frame relay connections between the sublinks on the ports of the cloud. Establish a frame relay connection between interfaces serial 0 and serial 1. First select serial 0 from the port list. Then select to serial 1 from the sublink list. Now select serial 1 from this port list. Then select to serial 0 from this sublink list. Click on the Add button to establish the connection. Proceed to establish a connection between serial 0 and serial 2, and then another connection between serial 1 and serial 2. Please verify that frame relay is working. The routers should be able to ping each other. This ends the frame relay configuration tutorial.